The business I work with is Lifeways Hospital in Boise. My name's Eric. I'm the assistant director of nursing. It's really been kind of a game changer for us. Before partnering with Fresh Clothes, we managed all of our laundry in-house. Since switching to Fresh Clothes, it's really improved our efficiency and freed up a lot of time for our employees to work more with the patients, which is our primary mission. So being able to partner with Fresh Clothes has really improved our operations, made them significantly smoother, which is at the core of what we're trying to do. People should partner with Fresh Clothes as a laundry service because in our organization, in healthcare, quality and consistency are really key. And in our opinion, Fresh Clothes delivers both. It's really allowed us to smooth our operations. For us, Fresh Clothes provides a lot of reliability. Their standards of care have been very high for us. So with Fresh Clothes, we don't have to worry about delays or shortages in our laundry. And their attention to detail, customer service has been outstanding. Anytime we need to reach out to them, they're always available. Every employee that we've interacted with, whether that's in person or on the phone, has been extremely pleasant, very helpful, and very responsive. So I think for any organization that's looking for a laundry service, they'd be an excellent choice. Would I recommend Fresh Clothes to any other organization? Absolutely. They come highly recommended from us. Again, their attention to detail, ability to make our operations run smoother and take one concern off of our plate has it's been a bit of a game changer for us.